Hello everybody, my name is SEKHRI and I'm a child development trainer at Little League. In today's video, I'm going to share a few tips for parents as to what they can do to ensure that the exam time is a little less stressful for them as well as for the children. If this is something that interests you, please continue watching the video. The first point is to ensure nutrition in your child's diet. Now, nutrition plays a very important role in keeping the brain energy up. Lower nutritious meals increases sluggishness in the child and also reduce their concentration level. Now, I understand that it's not possible to completely remove junk from their diet. However, we have to try to minimize it, especially in the exam time. Now, how is this possible? So this is possible by having a heart-to-heart and open conversation with your child as to why and how will having junk food in this time will lead to lower grades. Having such a conversation will help your child understand as to why something is being denied to them. Also, keeping them hydrated will also increase their brain functioning. The second point is to add exercise in their routine. Exercise is something that will help them increase the brain functioning and it will help them reduce stress, it will clear their mind and will also boost their energy. Taking a 30-minute break to add some movement in the routine will help the child feel better and will also increase their concentration when they move to studies later. You can let your child choose whatever kind of exercise they want to do. It can be cycling, swimming, dancing, any kind of movement that they enjoy will be helpful. Third tip is to talk to your child about your exam time. You can share a few stories about how you dealt with the exam time back in the days. Remind your child that feeling nervous during such a time is absolutely normal. Nervousness is a normal reaction to exams. The key is to put this nervousness into positive use and get a nice outcome out of this. You can also talk to your child about how they are feeling mentally and you can help them express themselves in a very healthy manner. So this will also help them understand that there's somebody that cares for them, and this will also make them more active. This will also provide them motivation and also give them a sense of belonging. The fourth point is to encourage positive thinking and add affirmations in the routine as well. Now, having a positive outlook towards life will in general help them be more optimistic. You can help your child think about exam time in a more positive manner. For example, you can let them know that grades are not the end of the world. Whatever result they will get is something that they cannot control. However, what they can control is what knowledge they will get out of exams. So focus your energies over there. You can add some affirmations in their routine and you can help them repeat a few positive statements while they're looking at themselves in the mirror. For example, I am in control of my situation. This is a phase and it will pass. I will choose to deal with it calmly. I am equipped with dealing with stressful situations and I will come out of it in a healthy manner. The fifth point is to let exam time be a judgement-free zone. So don't compare your child's grades with other children's grade. Ensure that they are studying hard not to do better than others but to do better than themselves. So empathize with your child's struggle. Don't let the exam time and the results be a factor in determining your child's social status or the value of your child and what kind of love they will receive from you as parents because of the results. Let them know that grades do not matter as much as they as a person. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it helped and I hope your exam time goes by swiftly.